as you can see, I kind of got it started here. And just to show you guys a few examples, but this is my first product, first thing on Etsy here. This is our degree plan, or Etsy or any other, whoever's watching this. This is the degree plan for, and then put your name here to start it off. And then first we're just going to have my first class, let's say in fall 2025. I took Apparatus 140, which I actually took, and I'm a business major, so this isn't like a major requirement, and usually your guys' schools might have that. And then easily you just press GE other. Actually I just unclicked it, but you can click multiple if needed, because it might have them both. And then yeah, so we did GE with 3 credits here, and then it adds up to 3 at the end if we just wanted to add, like, let's say math 145 or something. Oh, look at that, guys, touch the screen. Yeah, so let's just hit that there, go here, and we're just gonna copy. You can, again, you guys can just go like this if you didn't know. And then we're just gonna go, let's say that's a major credit class for sure. You have to unclick GE because it's not. Let's say that was a 4 credit class. Yeah, so then you would add 7 here, and it would add 7 down here, and it would subtract from your total major credits needed. I say major now because I'm going to add the minor part where it adds up all on its own, and we can just name that minor. But this is for like your degree, or I might just change this to credits so you might see that on the actual sheet. So what you're going to do here is just adjust your major credits needed. This could be specifically total, like for example, my major has 120 credits needed, right? And so it'll take all those totals and it will subtract it from that. Again, this can be used like in any way you want. You can add semesters, you just go like this, you can do the same thing, you can copy it, but this can be totally flexible to what you need. You can just add another more, like, so, I don't know, CS 350, is that a thing? I don't know. But then you have like 5, oh no, let's go 3. In the end, it just subtracts it, has that total right there. And it's the same thing for maybe online or extra. But whatever you want to use, this is up to you guys. So hopefully you guys like this. Oop. I don't know why that was there. But hope you guys like this, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks guys.